Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today I'm going to share an easy recipe that supports your gut health. Gut health is cinnamon date smoothie. This smoothie is packed with fiber, probiotics, and healthy fat, all of which support digestion and help balance your gut microbiome. Not so secret ingredient is ours Koso. Ours Koso is a Japanese fermented drink concentrate that combines probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics in one. It supports digestion, gut health, and even your immune system. One of the main ingredients of this smoothie is dates, which are naturally rich in fiber to support digestion and help feed the good bacteria in your gut. The natural sweetness also makes this smoothie delicious without refined sugar. If you are using mature dates, you probably need only 1 or 2 since they are larger. If you're using smaller dates like we did in the video, add 2 to 3. Another key ingredient is Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon not only adds warmth and flavor, but also loaded with powerful antioxidants, especially polyphenols. These antioxidants protect the body from oxidative stress caused by free radicals and have strong anti-inflammatory effects, helping to calm chronic inflammation that can damage body over time. Regular consumption of cinnamon has also been linked to better heart health. For gut health, the polyphenol in cinnamon act as prebiotics feeding beneficial gut bacteria and helping them thrive. By supporting a healthier balance of microbiome, cinnamon polyphenol not only enhance digestion but also reduce inflammation in the gut lining, making this spice a powerful ally for both digestive and overall wellness. This is super easy to make. You need 1 tablespoon of ours Koso original or 2 teaspoons of ours Koso lower sugar, 1 cup of almond milk or any type of milk you like, half cup of Greek yogurt or soft tofu, half frozen banana, 2 to 3 small dates, quarter cup of rolled oats, 1 teaspoon of almond butter, half teaspoon of cinnamon, pinch of salt. All you need to do is soak the dates with almond milk and leave it for 15 minutes. Then blend everything until smooth. That's it. Combining ours Koso with gut-friendly fruit like dates and cinnamon, this smoothie becomes more than just a tasty drink. It's a daily step toward better digestion, balanced energy, and overall vitality. Make it part of your daily routine and feel the difference from inside out. Make sure you try this recipe and let us know how you like it. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.